How are we doing, folks? James Barr here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely mint condition 2017 BMW 5 Series 530e M Sport iPerformance Saloon. It comes in this stunning bluestone metallic paint finish with the BMW LED headlights, the BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the M Sport front bumper with the front parking sensors. Come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tires with the blue brake discs and the M Sport badging. The black trim surrounding the windows with the shark fin antenna on top, the eDrive badging on the side. If you come around to the back, you have the BMW 530e badging, the rear reversing camera, the two massive exhaust pipes, the LED lighting, and the automatic trunk. Just a simple click the key fob and she'll pop open. Now folks, let's take a look at the interior. Now folks, that we're inside, you can see the BMW multifunctional sports paddle shift steering wheel, the fully digital cockpit. This car comes with a comfort mode, sports mode, and an Eco Pro mode. Fully electric windows, collapsible mirrors, fully electric seats, automatic wipers, automatic headlights, the BMW teleservice, the iDrive system on board, the electric handbrake, the rear reversing camera and 360-degree parking sensors. Also on board is the BMW emergency call system or SOS system, the active guard system, the real-time traffic information, alarm system. The interior comes in a black sporty Dakota leather with a platinum trim finish, surrounded by customizable ambient lighting. This car has many other extras. That was just a quick look around this 2017 BMW 5 Series 530e iPerformance M Sport Saloon. If you have any questions about this car, please feel free to visit us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.